HubSpot, a leading customer relationship management platform, manages customer interactions, sales pipelines, marketing campaigns, and customer service. Monday.com is a versatile work management tool that helps teams organize projects, track progress, and automate workflows through customizable boards and dashboards. Integrating HubSpot with Monday.com enables seamless synchronization of CRM data like contacts, deals, and leads, along with workflow automation. This bridges sales and operational teams for better collaboration. While a direct native integration doesn't exist of 2025, third-party tools like Zapier and Make or direct API calls enable these robust connections. This integration improves efficiency, visibility, and productivity, driven by the increasing demand for unified workflows in remote and hybrid work environments. The primary methods for integrating HubSpot with Monday.com include using Zapier or Make for no-code automation or employing direct API calls for custom integrations. Key concepts include CRM data sync, which can be bidirectional or unidirectional. Data mapping matches HubSpot fields to Monday.com fields, and establishing triggers and actions automates workflows. Recent trends include the rise of AI-assisted integrations, with platforms like Zapier's AI Builder automating workflow creation. Focus on proper data mapping and error handling is crucial to avoid data duplication and sync failures.